Welcome back to another trying to get us bloody banned again, channel deleted again. Welcome back to another episode of Fix Build Race. As you can see, we're currently in the car, we're in Aaron Z, heading out on a terrible Auckland day. There's like weather warnings and stuff, but when there's a car to be bought, you just got to send it. So we're stuck in traffic, terrible traffic, there's ambulances going past and stuff. So yeah, we're going to look at a car, aren't we, Aaron?
We sure are. Yeehaw.
So this is a car that Aaron has owned one of these before, and he binned it.
Okay, it wasn't fair. We'll just leave it at that.
Yeah.
It wasn't fully my fault.
I mean, yeah, we'll leave it at that.
Yeah.
And he loves these cars. He's got a massive soft spot for these cars. And
fuel prices, man.
Fuel prices. Yeah. Honestly, insane. Oh, there's more Wambies. Jeez. So yeah, probably a wise decision to get something, because he dailies his Z, by the way.
Yeah.
Like, this is his daily 3-litre V6 old Nissan engine. Like,
she is a bit thirsty, I must admit.
Yeah.
Not too bad, but you know, not the most economical car in the world.
Not the best thing to be dailing around Auckland City.
Yeah, not shit like this anyway.
No.
Check your guesses as to what it is in the comments below. Let us know, because I'd love to hear everyone's thoughts and ideas.
Yeah.
Do we give them any hints?
Yeah, let's give them a hint. It's JDM.
Yeah, it's still JDM.
Yeah. Can't get away from that.
Yeah. So. Alright, sweet. Catch you soon. This is my new car. You'll have seen last time we were in the car going to pick it up, and yeah, this is the new whip. It's a 1997 Toyota SWENO or Levin, whichever way you want to cut it, BZR. So it's a 6-speed manual, blacktop 4H. Yeah, so I used to own one of these a few years ago now, and yeah, I just love them so much. Like, I know they're front wheel drive and all of that, but the bang for buck is too good. They're so much fun. So yeah, I bought another one. It's a little bit rough. It's not as clean as the one that I previously had, but we're going to spend a bit of time and cleaning it up, tidying it up. That's what we do.
So yeah, as Aaron said, it's a little bit rough. It's not running perfectly at the moment, so we'll give it a full service, as you should do with any new car you buy. So we're going to get onto that. It currently doesn't have a warrant, so we'll get that sorted as well. Aaron will take it through, see what it needs, and then we'll fix up whatever it needs. And then he can start daily driving it. He's still currently got the 300ZX, but that is up for sale. So if that's something you'd be interested in, hit us up.
Slide into the DMs.
Yeah. But yeah, as Aaron said, there are some plans for this car. We'll see if they come to fruition.
Maybe an engine swap?
Oh,
maybe?
is that K24?
Put your comments below what you think may or may not happen. So many of you may be wondering why I'm getting rid of the 300 and replacing it with this. Other than these cars holding a very special place in my heart, the 300 is a lot of car, and yeah, it's quite expensive to run and all of that stuff. And I don't know, a Toyota is naturally cheap and reliable. So yeah, I just wanted something a little bit different, and yeah, I don't know. I feel like I've had my time with the 300. Had a lot of fun in it, but I think it's time to pass that along for someone else to enjoy. So yeah, this came up for sale. It was up in Northland, couldn't really say no. yeah, I guess I'll take you around the car to show you the things that I do and don't like. I guess we'll start off with kind of the front. So yeah, gonna polish up the mirrors. The headlights. Yeah, there's a lot of paint chipping and all of that going on in here, so we'll tidy that up. Yeah, overall I really like the front. I might get a lip for it at one stage. And then moving around, although I like these rims, I think I'll probably change them up at some point. So there are two styles of these side skirts. This is one style, and then the other style is like the natural BZR, and it kind of like comes up as a fin. I don't know whether Jack can show a photo or not, but yeah, anyway, I'd quite like to get those side skirts and like paint them same color. I don't know, maybe one day we'll respray this or get it resprayed. Yeah, the paint isn't perfect on it and it has a little bit of surface rust, so we've treated it now, so it's all good, but yeah, just I don't know, it does look a little bit messy, so I'll probably touch up paint for now, but yeah, it wouldn't hurt to do a respray at some point down the road. The exhaust is quite loud, so I'll probably be getting a different muffler. I like how it sounds, but it is just a little bit too loud.
Now for the piece de la resistance.
Ooh, here we are. So yep, this is her in all her glory.
Cut to that clip of Luke's Corolla and we're like, it actually is an age.
Sure is. Alrighty, so we're about to go for a quick rip, show you what she's all about. Oh, if you have any good names for her, then let me know. I don't really know.
Just take it for a rip.
Yeah.
Sounds a little bit like it's cammed.
Yeah.
Nice and loud for you.
Yeah, so you can tell it's a bit fart cannon-esque.
Oh yeah, I see what you mean about the knocking. I haven't actually been in this. I test drove it when I came to check it.
Oh, that is not.
That is a cop.
That is a police officer.
Maybe ease it out of here.
Yeah. Maybe I
just for it. Definitely feels like it goes alright for a 1.6.
You're just like, I don't know what they did to make it so good, but it is just so good. Like,
just like it's not gonna smoke any friggin', you know, it's big performance cars, but around a track these are actually really good. So in New Zealand we have a race series called the 2K Cup, and the concept behind that was you buy a car for $2,000, and or I think buying or you can't actually modify them for the race series, so it was like a stock car race series apart from
roll cage,
good brakes and any safety additions you wanted to make. So you couldn't remove any weight like rear seats and stuff unless you were putting a roll cage in it. And Aaron keeps interrupting me. And these actually dominated the 2K Cup is what I'm getting at. So they're a really good car around the track, which hopefully Aaron takes to the track.
I'm not opposed to it, to be honest.
I definitely think we should. It's the sort of car that you just definitely got to take to the track and thrash it around the track. Yeah. It'll love it.
It will.
Just change the oil, good brake pads.
It'll love it until it doesn't, and then I'll need a new motor.
And then we'll just build one. So yeah, this is the Levin.
Yeah.
It's a great little car. It's got its what would you say, flaws? Quirks and flaws.
Yeah.
Like that knock. I don't know if you just heard that. But we'll sort those out. We'll get it so it's mint. I reckon we'll Jesus Christ, he was keen. We'll maybe do a bit of a paint job on it. I reckon that would be, well, actually doing it wouldn't be fun because it's a lot of work, but seeing the end result would be quite nice. Sam's proven that he's quite good on the old paint gun. So yeah, that'll be it for the Levin. You'll probably see this again soon because I'm gonna try and convince Aaron to do lots of stuff to it. Yeah, getting alignment, getting the WOF, and then collect some parts, and hopefully there'll be a bit of a series coming up on this in the near future.
Maybe.
So yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, give Aaron some name ideas for the car in the comments.
Yeah, and some engine ideas.
Yeah, and wheel options.
Yeah, wheel.
Because he is wanting to change those. What do you reckon would look good? We were thinking maybe a bronze wheel. might look good, but I'd love to hear your suggestions. Yeah, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.
I don't really put much soul in it. It's like I don't think that I'm with it. I'm on the pro team. You'll be calling that Olympic. They see me rolling. Okay, millionaire, I'm sunning. Peter, 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 pop.